Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that I think many of us can relate to, the misconception of laziness. Before going ahead, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. That way, you'll be the first to catch all our informative videos. Let's move back to our topic. We're going to break this misconception of laziness into 5 key points, so let's jump right in. Number 1, it's all about taking a mental health day. You see, prioritizing self-care is not lazy, it's essential for your overall well-being. We need to debunk that myth once and for all. Number 2, the early birds might not like this one, but waking up late doesn't equate to laziness. Our sleep patterns are genetically determined, and they don't determine our work ethic. So, no more guilt for hitting that snooze button. Number 3, the gym, or the lack of it, doesn't make someone lazy. It's all about finding an exercise routine that suits your preferences. Not everyone's a gym enthusiast, and that's perfectly okay. Number 4, spending a day in bed without being super productive isn't laziness either. Sometimes, it's a way of coping during tough times. We've all been there, right? And finally, number 5, not being busy every single moment doesn't mean you lack purpose. Taking time to do nothing can actually have some pretty significant mental and physical health benefits. So, don't underestimate the power of chill time. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture here. Productivity doesn't define your worth. You are valuable simply because you're unique, and that's something we all need to remember. Oh, and there's an important point about the connection between laziness and burnout. We've got to understand the difference because it's crucial for our well-being. So, there you have it, viewers, the truth about laziness and why it's time to rethink our perceptions. Remember, you're awesome just the way you are, and don't forget to take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And subscribe to our YouTube channel.